Hello guys, I am Purva and welcome to my channel Purva Chordia Fitness. In this video, I am going to show you workout for toning your front abdominal muscles. For this exercise, you will not need any equipments and you can do this workout anywhere, anytime. So let's just get started. We will start our workout with diagonal toe taps. You will be doing 10 repetitions of each leg, that is 20 repetitions in total. You will be taking a plank position and then tapping your right hand with left toe and left hand with right toe alternatively. You will continue doing this by bringing the crunch movement in your abdominal muscles. You will not move your legs or bring them in front. You will take your hands backward to the toes. Last few, come on. After first set is done, you will take 30 seconds of rest and then do rest sets. Another workout is bicycles. You have to do 3 sets and 20 repetitions. For this you have to lay on the ground and touch right elbow to the left leg and left elbow to the right leg alternatively and then continue doing it. For our next workout, we are going to do one leg plank. So you will be taking a plank position and then raise your left leg and right hand parallel to the ground. Then bring them back to the ground and then raise another leg and another hand. Make sure you're using opposite hand and opposite leg because it becomes difficult to balance on the same hand and leg. This one is the killer one. You will be doing 3 sets. For the next workout, we are going to do alternate leg raises. So while doing leg raises, you will not touch your legs to the ground so that you maintain the tension in your abdominal muscles. And you will raise your shoulder and chest a bit and keep it neutral. So another workout is leg raises. So this is both leg raises. In this, the rule is same. You will not touch your legs to the ground. You will raise them before they touch to the ground. Come on. Last few. So now for the last workout, we are doing reverse crunches. For the reverse crunches, you will bring your upper body and lower body closer for the crunch movement and then bring them back. Crunch and then rest position. Crunch and rest position. So for every workout, you are going to do 3 sets and take 30 to 45 seconds of rest. Don't forget to drink water and stay hydrated during your workout. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. You can also let me know in the comment box which video you will like to see next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Till then, stay fit and stay happy.